Hi, sir. Can I help you? Sir, have you owned a Triton before?
Yeah, I own the previous model, so I want to upgrade.
Okay. Yeah, it has a push start button, keyless operation, fully automatic climate control.
What's your name?
Cheryl.
Really soft hands.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
No, you're wrong. Actually, you have to put it in neutral first, then and then the only can change.
Oh.
What's a pretty girl like you doing, selling cars?
This is your forte. You should know better than this.
Sorry lah, this first time. And then
Because I have a girlfriend. It's okay. She's not really here.
But if can, I want to be a racer one day.
racer.
Is that the same? Is the Phantom? Is that the same as this one?
This one more rugged.
Yeah, I like
suit
the
your
colour.
taste. Why not you give it a test drive?
Hey, why is there a camera?
The camera is for safety purpose. Let me drive.
You want to drive?
You park here. You want to see what this car can really do?
Yeah, sure.
Sit there.
Hey, you know how to handle this car? This is a man's car, you know.
So this is a shortcut back home, yeah? Okay, cool. So I think you're going a bit too fast. Yeah? Sorry lah. Hey, slow down lah. What the f***? Dude, what? Are you kidding me? Are you crazy or what? What? No, what? What? Jesus Christ. I didn't know you could turn like that, no! Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Are you crazy or what? What? No, what? Hey, I have enough of this. Okay. He's got a shotgun. What are you doing? Wait, what? No.
I'm definitely making fun of it. It's crazy.
You are f***ing up. Oh my God, no.
Who say girl cannot drive? You're on MAXMAN TV. It's just a prank.